A satellite is falling towards the Earth, and NASA scientists don't know when or where it will hit. The uncertainty of its arrival to Earth has many people concerned. 4029's Monica Limpert has more on how residents are worried for their property and their personal safety.
The cost of insuring something goes up. Here in Australia, it's private health insurance every few months, as well as other things.
You ever think about how insane it is that someone insures satellites? Like, bro, who wakes up and says, yeah, I'll cover the thing flying 17,000 miles per hour through cosmic chaos? That's not insurance. That's delusion. We insure cars, houses, phones, even Kim Kardashian's butt. But space? Space? There's no police report for God sneezed and vaporized my billion-dollar Wi-Fi box. Who insures space? Apparently Lloyd's of London. Because if there's one thing the British love, it's charging money to make you feel safe while everything's on fire. These people looked at rockets exploding midair and said, yes, we can profit from this. Back in the day, space was pure exploration. Now it's like, to infinity and deductible. The insurance menu from space hell? You don't just get one policy. No. There's a menu like you're ordering insurance tapas. Dash launch insurance. Covers if your rocket turns into fireworks. In-orbit insurance. Covers your satellite as long as it doesn't get hit by someone else's space junk. Re-entry insurance. Covers if your satellite decides to crash land on Chad's backyard BBQ. Oh, and you can add optional coverage. Signal ghosting protection. That's right. If your satellite just stops texting you back, they'll pay you. It's literally Space Tinder. The people selling it. Lloyd's of London has been in the satellite insurance game since the 1960s. That's before we had color TVS. These people insured the moon landing for God's sake. They're the OGs of betting on explosions. They've seen every disaster, rockets blowing up, panels not deploying, astronauts sneezing wrong. They don't even blink anymore. Oh, your $400 million satellite got lost in orbit. Happens every Thursday. Fill out Form 4B Explosive Edition. They read explosion reports over morning tea like it's the sports section.
Now, looking to beyond the Earth's horizon, an increasing amount of trash is orbiting our planet. Scientists say the amount of space junk circling our planet is massive, fast and moving, and potentially dangerous. This week, European experts are meeting virtually to devise new plans on how to deal with space debris, including sending out a new fleet of orbital trash collectors.
The numbers that make no sense. This isn't small money. The space insurance market is worth $750 million a year. And that's just premiums. That's before something actually blows up. In 2019, one satellite failure cost insurers $415 million. $415 million. That's not a payout. That's a government budget. And yet they keep doing it. It's like gamblers who just love losing in zero gravity. One more launch, baby. Double or nothing. The fine print from hell. Car insurance is confusing, right? Wait till you read a satellite policy. These things are written like ancient curses. Exclusions include acts of war, unauthorized deorbiting, unidentified space anomalies, and my favorite, excessive solar stupidity. You know what they never cover? Space debris. The number one reason satellites die. That's like fire insurance that doesn't cover smoke. Sorry, sir, your satellite collided with a screwdriver from 1993. That's not in your plan. And don't forget the legal clause, loss due to cosmic interference. I'm sorry, cosmic interference? Who are you gonna sue, God?
Economic growth is the number one mission.
Growth is the number one mission.
Growth.
The number one priority. But it's not been delivered yet.
Currently, here we are, this target is a fail.
The space tax scam. Here's where it gets dumber. When satellites collide, the country that owns them pays for the damage. Not the company, not the billionaire, the taxpayer. So if Elon Musk's Starlink satellite crashes into a Russian one, guess who pays? The US government. That means you. Congratulations! You just funded Orbital Dodgeball. It's literally the world's most expensive bumper car game, and you're footing the bill. Elon, Jeff, and the Galactic Circus. Elon Musk launches satellites like they're confetti. Jeff Bezos wants to sell Prime delivery from orbit. And Richard Branson's like, I want to make it sexy. Meanwhile, insurance companies are in the corner hyperventilating. Please, stop launching stuff. Astronomers can't see the stars anymore. They're calling customer support like, hi, yes, space won't stop buffering.
So the space sector is going from large state operators to much smaller, much more nimble commercial operators, often backed by venture capital or entrepreneurs.
The crazy economics. You'd think these billionaires would insure everything, right? Nope. They only insure the launch. After that, they say, screw it. It's cheaper to replace a $200 million satellite than to insure it. That's not capitalism. That's chaos in a tuxedo. That's like saying, I don't buy car insurance. I just buy a new car every time I crash. The paranoia business. The actuaries running these models look like they haven't slept since 1987. Their formulas are like probability of explosion times space debris times Elon's mood swing divided by cosmic rays. And still, somehow, they lose money. Because space doesn't care about math.
You think there's an alien spaceship heading to Earth that I wouldn't know about that would somehow fly under my radar? Come on, be real.
The aliens are watching. You know the aliens are watching this nonsense like a reality show. Alien number 1. Wait, they pay money to protect exploding garbage? Alien number 2. Yeah, and when it explodes, they pay each other more money. Alien number 1. Primitive species. Delete channel, the insurance that doesn't pay. Even when they do have a policy, insurers find ways to not pay out. My $400 million satellite exploded. Did you have the anti-alien clause, sir? They'll call it human error or electronic negligence. Bro, it's space. Everything is human error. The moral of the story. So yeah, humanity now insures space junk while ignoring climate change, poverty, and the fact that your Wi-Fi still sucks in your own kitchen. We've created capitalism in orbit. We're literally paying to protect debris while the Earth burns. Next time you see a rocket launch, don't say wow. Say, who's paying the deductible? This is Orbital Secrets. Subscribe before your premiums go up. You're up.